Garden Winds offers a universal pergola replacement canopy designed to provide shade and add style to your wood or metal pergola structure. Offered in a variety of colors, stripes, and patterns, make your pergola look new again. The size of the pergola shade canopy is 205 inches long by 81 inches wide. Drape this shade canopy over your pergola frame for a new and updated look. Each replacement shade canopy is outfitted with long tubular pockets at each end to insert a weight rod. In addition, tiebacks at the bottom corners to attach to the corner frame posts of the pergola. This helps the pergola shade canopy stay in place. Grommet rings are also located throughout the canopy to allow for water drainage. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.